Welcome to Sam Tech. In today's video, we're delving into the transformative power of technology across various industries. From enhancing productivity to opening new frontiers, modern machines are key drivers of growth and innovation. Join us as we explore how these technological advancements are helping us achieve more in our work. Artificial intelligence is transforming healthcare by improving diagnostics and treatment. AI algorithms analyze medical images, patient data, and research to assist doctors in making more accurate diagnoses and developing personalized treatment plans. This technology reduces the likelihood of human error and enhances patient outcomes, driving significant advancements in medical care. The Internet of Things (IoT) is making homes smarter by connecting appliances, lighting, security systems, and more. Smart homes offer convenience, energy efficiency, and enhanced security, making daily life easier and more comfortable. As more people adopt smart home technology, the market continues to grow, driving innovation and development in the industry. Industry 4.0, characterized by the integration of digital technologies in manufacturing, is revolutionizing production processes. Advanced machines, including robots, IoT devices, and AI-driven systems, enable factories to operate with greater flexibility, efficiency, and customization. This digital transformation allows manufacturers to produce high-quality products faster and at a lower cost, fostering growth and competitiveness. Quantum computing represents the next frontier in computing power, with the potential to solve complex problems that are currently beyond the reach of classical computers. This technology could revolutionize fields such as cryptography, materials science, and drug discovery. As quantum computing advances, it will open up new possibilities for innovation and growth in various industries. Smart farming integrates AI, robotics, and data analytics to optimize agricultural practices. From autonomous tractors to AI-driven crop monitoring systems, these technologies help farmers increase yields, reduce resource use, and improve sustainability. Smart farming not only boosts agricultural productivity but also ensures food security for a growing global population. Collaborative robots, or cobots, are designed to work alongside humans in industrial settings. These robots can perform repetitive or dangerous tasks, allowing human workers to focus on more complex and creative activities. By improving safety and efficiency, cobots are helping businesses increase productivity and create safer work environments. Self-driving cars are poised to revolutionize the transportation industry by offering safer, more efficient, and convenient travel options. These vehicles rely on AI, sensors, and advanced algorithms to navigate roads and make decisions in real time. As self-driving technology matures, it will reduce traffic accidents, lower transportation costs, and reshape urban planning. Digital twins are virtual replicas of physical assets that enable real-time monitoring, simulation, and optimization. In industries such as manufacturing, aerospace, and energy, digital twins help companies improve product design, predict maintenance needs, and optimize operations. This technology reduces downtime, enhances product quality, and drives innovation. Biotechnology is making significant strides in agriculture and medicine by developing genetically modified crops, personalized medicine, and innovative therapies. These advancements allow for more resilient crops, targeted treatments, and improved health outcomes. The continued growth of biotechnology promises to address some of the world's most pressing challenges. Edge computing is transforming how data is processed by bringing computation closer to the source of data generation. This reduces latency and allows for real-time decision-making in applications such as autonomous vehicles, smart cities, and industrial automation. Edge computing enables faster and more efficient processing, driving growth in data-intensive industries. Blockchain technology is revolutionizing healthcare by providing a secure and transparent way to manage patient data. It ensures that medical records are accurate, tamper-proof, and easily accessible to authorized healthcare providers. By streamlining processes and enhancing data security, blockchain helps improve patient care and operational efficiency in the healthcare industry. Augmented reality (AR) and virtual reality (VR) are transforming the retail industry by offering immersive shopping experiences. These technologies enable companies to reduce costs, minimize waste, and improve delivery times. Advanced logistics systems help businesses meet customer demands more effectively, supporting growth and profitability. Innovations in clean energy, such as advanced solar panels, wind turbines, and energy storage systems, are driving the transition to a sustainable energy future. These technologies reduce reliance on fossil fuels, lower carbon emissions, and provide cost-effective energy solutions. The continued development of clean energy technologies is essential for achieving global sustainability goals and supporting economic growth. Telemedicine is revolutionizing healthcare by providing remote access to medical services. With telemedicine platforms, patients can consult with doctors, receive diagnoses, and manage chronic conditions from the comfort of their homes. This technology increases access to healthcare, especially in rural or underserved areas, and reduces the burden on healthcare facilities. Autonomous delivery robots are changing the landscape of last-mile logistics by offering efficient and contactless delivery solutions. These robots navigate sidewalks and streets to deliver packages, food, and groceries to customers. By reducing delivery times and costs, autonomous robots help businesses enhance customer satisfaction and streamline their logistics operations. Biometric technology, including facial recognition, fingerprint scanning, and iris scanning, is transforming security systems. These technologies provide secure and convenient ways to verify identities, access facilities, and conduct transactions. As biometric technology becomes more widespread, it will enhance security across industries while offering a seamless user experience. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed this exploration of how modern machines and technologies are reshaping our world. If you found this video insightful, be sure to subscribe to Sam Tech for more content on the latest technological advancements. Stay tuned for more, and see you in the next video.